Welcome. I'll be reacting to Follow That Bird, which was a popular request in the comments. All I know is that it's about Big Bird, and bear with me if I forget a lot about Sesame Street. I haven't watched it since I was a kid. This is not a market substitute. Please support the original.
This be the grouch's cause. Point out everybody's flaws. Something is wrong with everything.
This is great.
The way I sing.
Okay, this movie is amazing. We can all go home now.
Well, anyway, you've seen the best part of this movie, so sit back, relax,
we have.
and have a rotten time.
Please.
Yeah, this pretty much sums up every board meeting I've been to.
To place stray birds with nice bird families. He's only 6 years old, and he lives all alone, with no other birds around.
We all know he can't be happy. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street?
Cue the music. This is so nostalgic. This brings back my childhood.
Hi, Billy. Hi, Bob. Morning, Big Bird.
Wouldn't you like to live in a big, beautiful bird house with a nice bird family?
I like how it jumps back and forth between live action and animation. Oh, St. Louis Cardinals. I remember whenever there was a big game going on, the amount of Cardinals merch everywhere. It was epic.
Oh, Bird, this is goodbye. You're leaving Sesame Street.
Well, I'm not really leaving. I'm just going away.
Oh.
Besides,
The essentials. You got your book, your flippers.
We're your family.
Yeah.
I know that.
Oh,
I'd like to give it a try.
Of course he would.
What the?
I told you not to look back. Oh,
what is this, the underworld? He can look back.
Bye, Big Bird.
Oh,
Bye, Tanya.
I like how his little teddy bear has a seat. This movie is so adorable. 5 out of 5 for cuteness points.
Okay. Is that a bird?
No, it's a plane.
Maybe this is the wrong airport.
But how can it...
Up in the sky, it's a bird.
It's a plane!
It's Superman. Yes, it's Superman, strange visitor from another planet who came to Earth with powers and abilities far beyond those of mortal men.
Big Dodo, this is our street, Canary Row.
What a cute little town.
Taking me. Is this the airport?
Oh, I love it. Can he fit? He's much bigger.
The Dodos have lots of great things like a lawn mower you can ride on. I'm not sure they know how to use it right, but nobody's perfect. The Dodos like to stay in shape.
Hold on.
I'm with Big Bird. I'm not a morning person. Oh dear.
I should be happy here. What's wrong with me? Love Big Dodo.
This is a really good point. Things that should make you happy, or that other people think would make you happy, they aren't always right for you. And you have to find what makes you happy. And I love that this is the message so far of the film.
I don't want to be here anymore. I want to go home.
You are home.
There are varying opinions all through the West on this subject. However, most agree Congress will make up its mind about that sometime next year. Now the weather. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for neighbors.
Oh,
Would you
wow.
be mine?
Oh.
More on that later. This news just in concerning a 6-year-old runaway and is reportedly heading east for a place called Sesame Street.
Sesame Street.
Sesame Street. Sorry.
Oh.
This reporter is
Here our
hilarious.
correspondent, Kermit the Frog.
Okay, here's one. Why does a chicken
Kermit.
not cross the road? Because it's chicken, get it? You think maybe he didn't like it here or something?
Impossible.
Well, what are you going to do about it, Miss Finch?
I'm going to find Big Bird wherever he is and bring him back to the Dodos.
Well, you heard it right here, folks.
I think she has the most beautiful voice of any villain in any movie ever.
We're here, and Big Bird is here, heading toward Sesame Street. We hope.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Gordon?
I love how organized they are.
And you haven't found him.
Oh, the Count has an amazing car. And I love that it's not black.
I figure I can walk back there in, about 3 hours.
3 hours? More like 3 weeks, buddy.
3 weeks?
If you hang on tight and just make up your mind.
That's a really catchy song.
Once you set your heart to moving on. Son, there ain't no road too long.
I feel like he's an actual singer. I just don't know who he is because he's really good.
Oh, we're gonna find him, all right, Bert. Yeah. Hey, you remember what color?
Alright, if you were in Sesame Street and you had to choose a group to go with to go find Big Bird, which one would it be? I'm torn between the Count and Oscar because he looks like he's having the most fun.
Sing it.
There
Ain't no road too long.
no there
Ain't no road too long. Yeah, fair. But that doesn't look like a good one.
That's my apple.
Well, this just ain't your day, is it, kid? Here. Now get out of here. Scram.
That's not the way to run a good business.
Fat nickel.
Let's see.
How to get to Sesame
that way.
Street.
That must be it. Well, there
No.
ain't no road
No.
too long.
Oh, no. That's not how you get to Sesame Street.
Hey, not bad.
Will you stay and play with us tomorrow?
Well, yeah. You know, I haven't played with any kids for a whole week. Gee, I wish Olivia was here to sing me a lullaby. Shine on us all tonight.
I ordered this Jello medium rare. This is well done.
How do you do medium rare Jello?
Spaghetti with maple syrup. Name your poison. Tonight's specials are roast beef with butterscotch and anchovy.
What about my
That's not bad.
Keep your shirt on! And tossed salad.
Tossed salad. That sounds safe. There's
2 tossed salads!
Number 2. Coming right up. Salad for everybody.
That's the only way to eat salad. I'm sorry, I'm not a salad fan.
Now stop that.
What I call
I would totally eat here. tossed salad.
Maybe we made a mistake. That salad looks great.
Oh, that was good.
Where did that big yellow bird go?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh.
She's very observant, though. I don't think he'll be able to get away with that for long.
Still no sign of Sesame Street. What's that?
It's Bert and Ernie, right? Unless it's just a crop dusting plane.
See that yellow spot down there? It's Big Bird.
Oh, yeah. Sure looks like a yellow spot, all right.
Careful.
Come fly with me in an upside down world.
I've been in a small plane doing this, and it's not fun in any way. At least for me. I practically kissed the ground when we got back.
Oh, no. I'm afraid you've lost him, Bert.
I've lost him.
Yeah, while you were singing, Bert.
Oh no, he's eating the seats now.
The Mushroom City? Annual Tournament of Mushrooms Parade.
Run!
Oh,
Run! Big Bird!
And Miss
Now his car is parade worthy.
Not at all. We have the perfect place for you to hide. Right here. In our hiding cage.
You'll be safe here. Yeah, real safe.
Gee, thanks. I'm a bluebird that's been dreaming of a rainbow I can follow. I can't get out of here, and I want to. So, could you call Mr. Looper's store on Sesame Street and tell somebody where I am?
Oh my goodness. They're gonna have no car left. It's Alohomora time. Can she pick locks? Oh no.
One key.
Count. No, now is not the time.
Sorry.
2 keys. 3 keys. Come on.
Okay, Gordon. There he is.
Jump.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Oh, I knew he could do it. Oh.
Are these the two men?
What seems to be the problem, officer? What's the charge?
Impersonating a dentist. Stealing an apple from a kid.
What happened?
They had a little car trouble.
He ate the entire car, didn't he?
He doesn't need another family. He has one right here. And we all love him.
Tell her what else,
We've
Maria.
got Bert and Ernie.
We want you here, Big Bird.
And there's dogs. And birds. That's me. We've got monsters.
And you're all happy?
Yes, definitely.
Well, all right. Big, from now on, Sesame Street is your home.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Next time, bring more cookies for him.
Oh, I love to count credits. One credit. One written by.
Oh,
That's 2 credits.
Okay, we are 2.
One director of photography. That's
4 credits.
One art director. That's 5 fabulous credits. One associate producer.
So how many were there?
That is 278 incredible, colossal credits. Oh, I love motion pictures.
It just brought me right back to my childhood watching Sesame Street. So many familiar characters. And I loved how they split up into groups and were all trying to find Big Bird in their own ways. And all those roadside adventures. This kind of reminded me a little bit of the first Muppets movie, with kind of the road trip style with the songs, the atmosphere. Plus this had some really just genuinely good messages to it. To be yourself, and that your friends and your family can be anyone. They don't have to be exactly like you. That tossed salad scene, I don't know why I found it so funny, but that's the best. That's my favorite part of this film. Was that Grouch Cafe, Bad Eats, I think it was called. Is there a Grouch movie where the entire film is just following him around? Because I would totally watch that. Overall, this was just such a cute film. And I could see kids absolutely loving it. It's a good one for summer too. I think this was the perfect time of year to watch it. Thank you to everyone who requested this in the comments.